In you, Lord, I take my stand. Let me never feel the shame. In your justice, free my hand. Turn your ear, call my name. Be my rock, my stronghold, a fortress that